Hi guys, welcome back at Cartex. I got myself a fresh ME3.0 Skoda Enyaq. So with the new software, fun to see, it calls itself an ID. So it's the same as the ID models. So the 3.0 software on the Enyaq, some new specifications. Fast charging, so DC charging, will now be 135 kilowatts instead of 100 or 120. And on the IV60, so the smaller battery, it will be 120 instead of 80 or 100, depending on which software you're on. From now on you can switch between adaptive cruise control and travel assist with only one button. The button on the steering wheel, so this one, if you press it once, it will use the travel assist or the adaptive cruise control, depending on which function you use. And the best of all is it remembers the function, so the next time you use the cruise control, it will also use the same setting again. Then the head-up display. This car hasn't got one, so I can't show you it. Now has some extra functions like the battery percentage, so how full is the battery at the moment. It'll show you on the head-up display, and the graphics are a bit more improved, so they're a bit sharper, a bit better to see. Also new, you can now reset your total kilometers, so the range on your battery, with just resetting the long time function. If you put it to reset, it will also reset your battery charge, so you can see the actual range which the car has from factory. Also new, the battery care mode. The system has a sort of safety function for the battery, so it will charge at your next charge at a maximum from 80%, which is better for the battery, but I clearly don't use it. Also not on my ID4, but the car can choose it now from itself. Also new, it's not a function you can see, but it has a bit better battery management, so with cold temperatures the range will be a bit better. It's about 10-15 kilometers, but it's a bit, so why don't use it? The advantage is that the battery will heat up a bit quicker, so in the winter you have a bit more range. And one of the last features, a lot of you complain about the quality of the rear camera, especially in the dark. Some guys of you have some 3D printed caps on it. Don't think it's something for me. Used it, but I don't see the difference a lot. The quality is a bit better. It's not that great at the moment, but it will be better in the future. So with the 3.1 software, which cars have, which be delivered now, and the 3.2 software in the future, so it will get better. So in short, some new functions for the Enyaq, some more range, better battery management, so it will get there finally. A bit later than the ID models, but also you guys which drive the Enyaqs will get the new software. A lot of you do at the moment, and the new cars already have the 3.1 software and will be updated to the 3.2. So thanks for watching again. Please like, subscribe and share, and until next time guys. And guys, something you all requested for. You can now use the drive wait times with the climate control, so you can store them with the date, time, etc., and the car will use it as normal to be full, to be fully warm, and you can drive away in a warm, fresh car with a full battery. Also new in the 3.1 software, the shop function now works. You can download games or the WeCharge app. Go and watch my ID software 3.0 film to know for sure what's that about. Made a special video about the WeCharge app and about the games which are in the new function, so a lot more fun, a bit joyful during the quick charging where you drive long distances, etc. But it's a bit better. Also new in the Enyaq is now the user interface. You can make a main user of it, and you can just use it like in the ID4 with the preferences. The car saves the things you store in it, so it's a bit better than the always push on the online mode option, but it will get better and more stable. And that's the plus of this software. It's more stable, more accurate, and some better improvements.